Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. So, the government shutdown is still going, and now the IRS is feeling the impact. And that's what we want to talk about today. So, starting on October 8th, about 34,000 IRS employees, which is nearly half the agency's workforce, were furloughed without pay. And the plan runs through April 30th of 2026, which means it's going to overlap with the tax season. That's not exactly the timing that anyone was hoping for. Although we'll keep an eye on how this plays out and we'll update everybody throughout, especially as tax deadlines get closer. But for now, it's definitely one more ripple in an already complicated shutdown that we're seeing. So, Jane, tell me, how is this affecting your clients? What have you been seeing so far?
Thanks, Irene. We had a few instances where it's impacting our practice and our clients, but it's important to keep in mind that we still have to continue filing returns, making deposits, paying any taxes due on time. So we have a client situation where this is going back to 2019, and we have to request from IRS a 940 and a W-3, which is the annual forms for the payroll. We have to confirm the numbers because his previous accountant either didn't file or it got lost. We really don't know what happened. So we needed to get that information from the IRS because we don't have copies. Unfortunately, that's not going to be possible. So if this could go further until April of next year, we're really missing a lot of time because we're still going to have incurred interest penalties for the client. So this isn't a possible solution at the time. So we have to work with what we have. So we're going to try to kind of get that information on our end, see what we could do. And because there's still self-service available, we're going to prepay, we're going to file these returns, and we're going to use the time to collect all the possible information, receipts. We could try to get, if there's like funding issues, we could try to get private funding because SBA administration is not giving out loans at the time. So we're going to use that information and time to work on what we could do on our end because again, the deadlines didn't really pause. So I think it's important to keep that in mind and we have to just work with what we have, and the portals, the self-service portals are here. So we're gonna continue working.
Absolutely. And we're also advising our clients act as if business as usual, make sure that you're paying tax liabilities regardless. And for the most part, we're still seeing a lot of our clients are calling us very surprised when we send updates from court, especially federal court. But courts are still open, and a lot of agencies are very much still open. We're seeing still follow-up and notifications from Department of Labor and so on. So please make sure that you're still keeping up with absolutely all entities and all payments, especially as a business owner.
Yes. Thank you, everyone.